Good day. Welcome to the first class of Mode.js Consult. Today, I'll be teaching you on how to download and install the Google Earth Pro because this is actually the main software we'll be needing for all our geological activities. So, you need to have a stable internet connection, which I have right here. I have a stable internet connection. Um, you also need to have like a web browser which you're gonna use. So I have disconnected, so you have to have a web browser. I'm using Microsoft Edge for mine. So exactly, so I'm gonna open that right now. You also need to have some laptop or PC requirements you're gonna use for the whole process. So once you have your Edge opened up with your browser, you go there and you search for download Google Earth Pro. And you enter. Once you do that, it automatically shows this, but if it doesn't show that, you pop it open here. Then you come here and you automatically click accept, like it pops it open immediately, and you click accept and download. Or if it doesn't do that, it brings you to this web page where you like see the whole preview of the whole app. Then you scroll, like you go through everything, then you look for where they say download Earth Pro on desktop, and you click that. Then it pops this open, and you click accept and download. It's like a Google confirmation. So at this point, it should be downloading already. So you see, it's already downloading, and already it's done. It took only 8.5 MB megabytes. So once that is done downloading, you open the file. So this is the file, and you open it up. So these are like the main requirements you'll be needing. So like actually send in the description of this video. So you click this. So it's gonna bring out the user confirmation, everything. You just click yes. Then automatically it starts to install. But because I already have this installed, I'm gonna cancel this. Yeah. But once you don't have it installed, you can leave it to continue going on. So that's how we install the Google Earth Pro. So stay connected. I'm going to show you the more classes, more lessons, or more things to come on MJC. So stay blessed.